We had Ajay Mehra with the two captains a little while ago for the toss. Let's take a look and see what happened.
It's match number 5 is going to be a very important one. We are ready for a toss. It's toss time. I've got, first of all, a guest with us, the chairman of Innovative Film City, Mr. Sarvana Prasad. Manoj Tiwari, who's got the coin as well, a very famous star. And of course, Sudeep Kichi, who's leading Karnataka Bulldozers, and Varun Badola, who's leading Mumbai Heroes. So all in readiness for the toss, and Manoj will spin the coin. Sudeep is going to catch. Tail is the call, and it's a tail. So what have you decided, Sudeep?
We'll bat first.
Looks to be a very good track for batting.
It looks like that from a distance, as long as we'll step in and see how it goes.
And a very important game, this one. So looking forward to it.
So it's not about importance, it's already gone. I think we need to play against, and it's always wonderful and delight to play against our favorite Mumbai Heroes. It's a beautiful match. And Tiwari sir is here. It's going to be a beautiful day.
Yeah, yesterday, didn't go your way, but some change the lineup, playing 11.
I think changes need to be done with the opponent who played against us yesterday. They need to come and play a little bit of cricket and less of chess. 15 minutes for 10 overs was good. Not 1 hour, 35 minutes, leisurely, taking their own time, being abusive on the ground. I think changes needs to be done there mentally, not here.
Yeah, all the best, and best wish for this game.
Thank you, sir.
So, Varun, you haven't won the toss, but not a bad ploy for you as well.
Well, it really didn't make a difference because we wanted to field first. Yeah. So, yeah, we got a wish.
And just coming about this game, yesterday just faltered in the last 5 overs. Didn't go your way. They were doing pretty well in the first 5 overs.
It was a difficult wicket to bat on because the dew factor came in and the ball was really not rising much. But I guess 85 would have been a good total. Maybe 10 or 15 short, but then by the end of it, I think that 1 over that I bowled made all the difference.
Any change in the playing 11, Varun?
Basically year end, so there are a lot of people who are engaged somewhere else. So Saqib comes in, Samir, Indranil and Shabir are not available. So now we'll know who are the 2 other guys.
All the best, Varun, for this game.
Thank you so much.
So New Zealand center is Karnataka Bulldozers who won the toss. They're going to bat first.
Let's take a look at the teams going into this encounter. Mumbai Heroes, a few changes there, but Varun still captaining the side as they play for pride today. Karnataka Bulldozers, their captain, Kicha Sudeep, will also be keeping wickets. Would be hoping that his side gets at least 1 win under their belt. Right. All in readiness. Karnataka Bulldozers, remember, are batting first, trying to put runs on the board. Pradeep opening the batting for them. And then, of course, there's Tarun as well. Tarun Chandra is a cracker of a batsman, so it'll be interesting to see what kind of start they get because Manoj Tiwari's got the new ball in his hand. He'll be starting proceedings with the ball for the Mumbai Heroes. In the commentary box, I'm Raman Banod and a very warm welcome to Sunil Joshi.
Good afternoon, Raman. Good afternoon to the all viewers of CCL T10 Blast, sponsored by Bharti Cement. Match number 5, Mumbai Heroes and Karnataka Bulldozers on its way.
It's Christmas time. Here comes the first ball. It's Christmas for the batsman as well. Smacked away for 4. That was a juicy ball and it's been put away. Karnataka Bulldozers are on their way.
It's a warm welcome for Manoj Tiwari as well. Christmas Day. Christmas gift, first ball. Sent packing towards the boundary by Pradeep as well.
Full toss. Pradeep needed no further invitation. That was a Christmas gift, delivered bang on time.
Plump came very sweet. First ball.
What's the change in the field now? Manoj Tiwari wants to put a man back on the onside, but no, that still hasn't happened. Remember, the power play is on. You can only have 2 boundary riders outside the 30-yard circle. They're bringing in the fielder on the offside from deep point in. And they are going to put a man back on the onside, and that is going to be a boundary rider at deep square.
Absolutely, Raman. Slight confusion for the which fielder need to go out. Anyway, Manoj Tiwari back in action with the second ball. Still, there is a debate going on the field position.
The debate's going on because they want to have a fielder back at long on as well. Kicha Sudeep is the man we were looking at. That is interesting, Sunil. You've got 2 boundary riders on the on, deep square, long on, and that ball was asking to be hit outside off stump.
I think that was a good trick by Manoj Tiwari, keeping the field on the boundary line, two fielders on side and bowling short outside the off stump. Was it not a trick, Raman?
Well, he's gotten away with it, is all I'll say. Well fielded. Excellent work, and there's a chance of a run out here. They will get a wicket, Mumbai Heroes. Well done. Sharad Khelkar did absolutely excellent work there, standing at mid-off. Pradeep is so very livid with his partner.
I think it's absolutely Tarun's mistake, looking at the fielder, not looking at the ball. I think Pradeep Khelkar, great effort. Sharad Khelkar, I beg your pardon. Sharad Khelkar, great effort. Look at him there. Brilliant.
Brilliant fielding effort at mid-off, and the keeper doing well as well, making sure that he collected the throw off balance. Manoj Tiwari is ecstatic. You can see contrasting emotions in the Kerala Bulldozers camp. But there you go. Tarun Chandra's run out without having faced a ball, and Karnataka Bulldozers are 4 for 1. Rajiv is the new batsman in for the Karnataka Bulldozers. They've lost a wicket in the very first over. Excellent fielding effort by Sharad Khelkar standing at mid-off. That forced that mix-up. But now, another right-hander is in, and this is something that Manoj Tiwari will love, because he's got these big in-dippers and he'll fancy the right-hander on strike. Khelkar doing excellently at mid-off, effecting that run out.
I think ideally, Raman, that's the run out what we are having a look. That's a brilliant fielder from Khelkar, mid-off. I think the non-striker, Tarun, was looking at the fielder, not at the ball. That's a close shout. See, I think Manoj Tiwari loves right-hand bowling to a right-hand batsman, because generally the ball comes in and creates a trouble for the batsman. Any level, Raman, ball coming in to the right-hander, it's always a problem.
Yes, and remember what we're looking at in the Celebrity Cricket League T10 Blast. You've got Heroes of Celluloid trying to showcase their cricketing skills on a cricket field. So this isn't really their first calling, you'll have to give them that. But they're doing a fantastic job.
I think we all know that how the entertaining are in their professional, and here they are no less here. Absolutely spot on, and they have done their homework very well.
Oh, that's just going down the leg side, will be called a wide. Umpires very, very severe on anything that's going down leg. You'll have to say that Rajiv did shuffle across his stumps, and that wasn't very far from the leg stump.
Not a bad move at all, because if you would have not shuffled too much, slide, if you look at that one, yes, it would have been close in the front.
So it was a dangerous tactic to shuffle so far across. Oh, that's going to be called a wide again. That's the rescue run, another extra being conceded. The moment you're shuffling a little across, you're putting a thought in the bowler's head. You want to keep the ball away from the batsman.
I think Rajiv is waiting only for the in-swingers, because he knows that Manoj Tiwari bowls a big in-swingers. That's the trick what Manoj is playing on the batsman mind as well.
It's probably slipping down leg side. That's the reason why the umpire wasn't interested in the appeal. The first overs come to an end. Karnataka Bulldozers 6 for 1.